in this video we are going to discuss something about dynamic inventory in Ansible. This is the interesting topic, something like we were discussing on the static inventory until today. So what is dynamic inventory? Static inventory, we know we have this pattern, like we have this file 1, node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, database.com, database.lab.local, web, all those things. What if you are creating more and more VMs or more and more servers every day, and you want to remove this as well? So it's not easy to manage these items, like edit this inventory every time, or even in the tower you cannot do this every day. Like, let's say today 10 users create new VMs, another 5 users delete the VM, then it won't be easy. In that place we have an option called dynamic inventory in Ansible. So dynamic inventory scripts are just scripts, Python or whatever the language you are using. Then Ansible will be able to execute it and collect the inventory details. So if you check, if you have a device, let's say I have OpenShift or Kubernetes or some VMware, something like that, then I can use a script to collect the details of the virtual machines or the resources inside that and use it in Ansible playbook. So if you check this repository, I will give you the link. There are community maintained inventory scripts. Most of them are Python, where you can see, let's say Azure resource managers, like Azure RM INI. Sorry, I will give you Azure RM PY Python script. It will execute. So if you put the script inside your Ansible inventory directory, Ansible will take care of the script, so it will automatically execute and get the details of Azure VMs. But you have to configure the credential, you have to tell all the other variables, etc. Okay, we will check something interesting here. Let's say cobbler is here. Let's say Docker. So if you check the Docker, it will automatically detect the Docker containers running, all those things. So it's like, if you, it will show you the inventory script description here. So it will making API request to one or more Docker APIs. It's dynamic, and it will list the running or run times, and you can execute the task based on the patterns of that. Maybe we can check something you want to try. Okay, we have over it here. We have VMware. I think we can try here. VMware, sorry, OpenStack. OpenShift is here. Okay, good. So this is purely maintained by community. Yes, we have RSV also. So you can use this script inside your inventory directory. Let's say if you have tower, then you have already inbuilt support for few of the cloud providers and all. You can use that, or you can use a custom inventory. What you have to do is, just inside your inventory directory or some folder, you can download the script and test it. But yeah, of course, for the Docker, you should have a Docker host, or OpenShift, you should have an OpenShift cluster, all those things if you want to try. So this is very useful if cloud providers or the platforms like OpenShift, where you don't know how many ports are running, and you want to, if you want to execute some task, something like that, it won't be easy with the static inventory. So it's very useful. Explore more, and if you have any question, ask in the comment box. I will try my best to reply on that. And that's it for this video. See you next time with another one, and thank you.